School holidays in a couple of days, isn't it?
Yes.
Why don't you go and stay with your aunt Helen in Melbourne for a couple of weeks?
It's too cold at this time of the year. Dad, Tony wanted to come in, but I wouldn't let him.
Why not?
Would you get angry and embarrassed and shout?
Me? What for?
I want to ask you something.
Go ahead.
I know I'm only 15, so you don't have to say it. Tony and I want to get married. Not now, not until he's 20. And I'll be 18.
Well, well, there's no need to hurry then, is there? Plenty of time to think about things. Maybe go out with one or two other boys, eh?
No, Dad. I want to go on the pill. Doctor says I have to get your permission because I'm underage.
Good God Almighty. I believe I believe this. What's got into you, Jenny? You're asking me to allow you to go on the pill so you can go and shack up with that boy? Is that what you're asking me? What would your mother think of that, hey? What would your mother think of that?